Let me ask you something. Have you ever typed a prompt like, write an email or summarize this, and got a perfect answer in seconds? It feels almost like magic. But here's the truth behind the curtain. It's not magic. It's not a ghost in the machine. It's math. At scale. Pure, raw, high-speed probability. Welcome to ProdPanda AI, where we simplify product management with AI-powered insights, because product management doesn't have to be complicated. Let's dive in. Here's something that might blow your mind. AI doesn't understand your words. It doesn't understand your images. In fact, it doesn't even know what a panda is. It only understands numbers. So when you type, "I love this product," the machine sees a list of coordinates in a high-dimensional space. It's doing emotional intelligence with numbers. In the world of AI, words that mean similar things live close to each other in a sea of numbers. This is what we call embeddings. It's like a map where synonyms are neighbors. Now let's simplify. Predictive AI versus generative AI. Predictive AI is like your most focused analyst. What will happen next? Will a user churn? Is this transaction fraud? It's all about forecasting. Generative AI is the artist. Creates something entirely new. It writes your copy, generates your images, or answers your complex questions. Predictive is the analyst. Generative is the creator. And here's the PM secret. The smartest products use both. They predict what you need and then generate the solution. That's where the real power lies. Now, what exactly is an LLM, or large language model? Imagine you've read every book, every blog, and every conversation ever written on the internet. Now someone asks you a question. You don't actually know the answer the way a human does. You predict the most likely next word, and then the next, and the next. That's the core engine of an LLM. They are basically next word prediction machines on steroids. It's not intelligence in the human sense. It's just incredibly advanced autocomplete. So why does it feel so smart? Because of attention. Modern AI doesn't read text word by word from left to right. It looks at everything at once. Every word in your prompt sees every other word. This allows the AI to understand that the "it" in your sentence refers to the panda 3 paragraphs ago. It's an extreme multitasking brain, connecting context instantly. But here's the scary part. Because it's just predicting the next word, it can sound very confident, even when it's completely wrong. We call this hallucination. It can make up facts and sound 100% sure about them. Basically, AI is that friend who speaks confidently, even when they have absolutely no idea what they're talking about. As a PM, your job isn't to build the model, it's to master the layers. Layer 1, understanding. What data and context does the AI need to give a great answer? Better context checks better results. Layer 2, reasoning. How does the AI decide? You need to guide the logic and the guardrails, not just the code. You are the architect of the AI's thought process. And layer 3, expression. How does it talk back to your users? Because at the end of the day, great AI products are not about models. They're about the total experience. Where does it actually add value for Aditi or Ramesh? If it's not solving a real problem, it's just an expensive toy. Focus on the journey, not the tech engine. So remember, generative AI is powerful, but only if you use it right. It's not magic, it's just smart pattern recognition. Follow ProdPanda AI, because we're just getting started. If you're enjoying this series, subscribe to ProdPanda AI, because product management doesn't have to be complicated. See you in the next episode.